So basically, I started sales in general since when I was 14 years old. So currently right now, I'm 26. So it's been like more than a decade since selling random things. I started selling through OLX, Facebook Marketplace, which is very the general like online e-commerce, like faces will happen here in the Philippines. And then later on, I learned how to sell on platforms like the Orange Shop and the Black Apps. And then 3 years ago, I and my friend Michael Cordovis decided to start an agency, and my role was basically to train people how to sell. And
Yes, you
then
were pretty good at it.
I felt confident. I felt like I really know how. For example, for example, when you go to a exam and you really feel that you can dominate that exam, that's the same feeling that I had when I was there. And then there was a time, it was holidays, so everybody's on a day off, and there was no live streamer, so there was no choice but myself. So I then decided to go live, and that first time became super viral. That's already 3 years ago. So, and that was the start of everything. And then I decided to name myself Kuya James so that people can remember me more better. And because James is too common. Yeah, there's a lot of James. And my surname, Afante, is actually very rare. So it's very hard for people to remember. So that's why I named myself Kuya James.
All right, and of course, you're into affiliate marketing
Mhm.
right now, which some folks, tend to think of marketing as complicated rather than selling their own goods.
Yeah.
So you won't have like a middleman or someone who would want to get percentage off of your efforts. Has that come across your mind, or can you tell us why you prefer marketing instead?
That's actually a very good question. So a lot of people always ask me, James, why don't you release your own product? Because you're good at selling.
Yeah.
Why you do that? So when I was doing e-commerce, when I was in the other platforms way back then, I always import my own inventory. The biggest problem when you're investing your own money in inventory is what if something bad really happens? You basically have a dead stock in your warehouse and basically making you lose more money. Rather than making yourself an affiliate, you don't have a risk of capital. At the same time, whenever a product, let's say we call it a hot cake product, sells very, very well, the limitation is not based on your capital. It's basically based on the brand itself, which is way bigger than your personal capital, which I am pretty sure a lot of people can relate. Because I myself also is a small businessman, and sometimes if imagine you can sell 1,000 pieces by using affiliate marketing rather than selling 100 pieces by using your own capital. You can earn bigger by selling through affiliate marketing.
So does that mean that the limitations actually scare you more? Do you think?
Yes. So it's I since honestly really like I can really see a product if it will really sell. So I really look into the scalability of the product as well on how much can we actually really sell.
Okay. Now, I've taken a look at your social media following and handles. Of course, 9 million is a huge number. You're probably more than that right now. Can you tell us how were you able to put yourself in a status like you're the number one seller right now on the platform? How did that all happen? And how does that feel for you?
So how did it all happen? Honestly, sometimes I also don't know. But one thing is for sure that I really do comparing myself to other people who also do the same as me. Of course, everybody has competitors. I really put the work, extra work actually. Like even here, when we were setting up this stage, I was also part of the production design. I was also the IT department of this.
You were creating scripts when I saw you.
Yeah. I was creating I was double checking the prices. I was really paying attention to every detail that I could possibly think of as a concern, which can later on be a tool for us to perform better. So, and I always listen to people, particularly my followers, because the reason why we have followers is because they are there. So what we are doing is not actually for us, it's for them. So what they want is actually what I must do. So what product do they want is, for example, as you can see here, there's a lot of products, but these products were actually being requested by our followers, and these are the products that they have been consistently buying through the months, through this year. And since this is 12/12, this is the last biggest live of the year, I really made sure that we will offer the best so that we can also maybe have them in their Noche Buenas, since we also know the prices are like really rising right now. So we're taking advantage of platforms, particularly because they can give us vouchers, which is a very unique thing that you can get online comparing to offline.
All right. So what's going to happen on Coldwell? Can you give us like a ballpark figure? Because right now, all the things that I'm seeing right now in this particular area are really, really like really good stuff. How were you able to get a hold of this? And what's going to happen on 12/12 particularly?
So basically, 12/12 is gonna be the biggest live in the whole Philippines in terms of live commerce itself. I really believe that through these efforts, honestly, talking to a lot of brands is like crazy. So like all of the blue chip brands, the top brands that you could imagine of, particularly in FMCG and electronics, is everything is already here. They can save a lot of money. They can get free shipping, of course, cash on delivery. They can also get a chance to win 4 brand new motorcycles and 2 tricycles if they check out anything. That's yes, basically. So, just fun fact: this came from my own money. So I spent my own money here just to also give back to the support that our followers gave really to us this year.
I want to ask a showbiz question, but they're probably
Okay.
to handle that.
Can I drink water lang po? Okay.
Thank you.
I'm Chris from IKEA. Paano nag-start yung partnership mo with Shopee?
I was actually a Shopee seller, an Orange App seller way back then. We call it the Orange App. So I'm really familiar, and I'm also a loyal buyer ever since on the Orange App. Especially because like even in the normal days, there's voucher, right? I'm sure everybody can relate, and free shipping is like already default. So and we had like an experiment way back 6/6, and then everything went well. Our first live became the record breaking in the whole live history in the whole like Philippines and Southeast Asia already. So we decided to, what if we continue collaborating, and then before we started in a room, like a simple living room, but now we are in a very big studio. I think this is like a reality show already. So, and I'm also very like happy because our partners, not just the Orange Shop, but also the brands, were very collaborative as well. So I'm very thankful of that.
Tagal ka na rin nag-online selling. So, meron ka bang parang products na surprisingly na mabenta?
Ay, grabe. In terms of mabenta, yung mga cellphone talaga, as in, grabe, I don't know, for some reason, when I go outside, one thing I realize, not everybody has a smartphone. Or 2 out of 10 people sira cellphone. Or 3 out of 10 people gusto magpalit ng cellphone or nababaganan sa cellphone. And with the efforts that we are doing, parang nakapag-provide tayo ng chance na makapag-upgrade sila sa mas murang halaga. Sa latest na cellphone na gusto talaga nila. So pinakasikat yung mga Poco, mga Tecno, Samsung, Oppo, yung very mass talaga na brands. Even actually like we call it the Mansanas, very popular din po yan. Also yung mga smart TV na yon, grabe yon, yung Xiaomi smart TV na yan. We we sell thousands of pieces in every stream. Like imagine, like that's like containers of TVs. That is happening online, and that's free shipping nationwide. And imagine you can get that smart TV, Google TV actually, already a more advanced smart TV for only 5,000 pesos. Like maybe you guys will also check out later.
Hi, James. Kasi nabanggit mo kanina, bata ka pa lang nagbibenta. Kailan mo na nakita yung gift mo for selling? Kasi sabi nila kahit gaano maganda yung product, hindi ka marunong magbenta.
So I think in terms of selling skill, one thing most people actually experience when they are selling, they treat selling as a competition. But for me, I treat it like a game. So whenever I feel like it's a game, it just feels you need to spend more time. Like for example, in gaming, you need to spend more time to get better. You need to do it more often to level up. Same goes in live selling. I do it every month. So I just feel like I can explain a product easily, even to a grade 1 student. That's why people can really understand why this product exists. Like for example, the smart TV that I explained to you, it's like in just 5 seconds you understand what's the selling point of the product. So, and I think the foundation of this skill is really, I really study the product itself, and I really filter the product that is being sold in our streams. So a brand can go partner with us and pay, but I can reject when their product is actually not good. So I can assure that our buyers are actually getting what they're paying for. So it should be brand new. It should be. It should have warranties. The brand should be recruitable, and most importantly, I myself has tested or tasted the product.
Were there particular products na yung una inisip mo hindi na pipita, pero na
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Bra. Yeah, I was surprised. Like it outperformed underwear of men when I was doing live stream for Bench. Like we sold 2,000 pieces of bra. I was like, what? So I never thought of selling bra, but wow.
And ano yung i-expect sa 12 super sale? Aside from yung mga community.
Okay, 12 they can expect up to 70-80% discount. Really, it's really crazy. Like the deals that they can really see in our live is gonna be the lowest guaranteed price, like across the whole Philippines. I can assure people of that, and then they can of course get free shipping, cash on delivery, no problem, 100%. All products are brand new, and again we call it pasabog. We have a lot of like goodies outside that we just created actually content out of the last 2 winners. We made 11/11 live. We gave away 2 motors, and we already gave it away. We documented everything, and then this time we made it tripled. And then of course, everybody needs a more flexible way of paying. We also have a SPay later, which you can buy products without using credit cards at 0% interest up to 6 months.
Habol ko lang, na-curious ako, na-aral mo ba kung may profile ba yung pinakamarami sa mga rewards o kung naglalaro?
Yes, actually, I really understand that most of the people that I'm really engaging with is the masa. Masa po talaga siya. So that's why, as you can see, all the products here are, like, pag mapadaan ka sa live ko, imposible po talagang wala ka mabili. Like, everything you use daily or every other day, I'm pretty sure. So, yun po talaga yung target ko, yung pangangailangan ko talaga araw-araw.
Hey, mabuhay.
Yan, buhay!
Congrats.
Thank you,
You're
boss.
hosting the biggest live stream ba for
Yes.
this year. How do you feel? And then, what kind of involvement you had in mounting this biggest live stream?
So, since day 01 pala ng Ingress, we started ingressing this 12:01 a.m. ng December 10. We were here 3 days straight, like 18 hours per day. So, nakakapagod, but okay lang kasi marami nag-aabang, nandiyan yung suporta ng mga followers natin. Nakaka-pressure kasi grabe. First time ko mag-live sa ganito. Like, never pa nga ako naka-experience, nakapasok sa mga studio ng ABS or UBA. So, but, wala eh, kakaiba. So, parang, hindi ko, actually, parang yung feeling ko mamaya, parang may tsunami na parating na hindi ko alam kung gano'n siya kalaki. So, basta mamaya tatama na lang siya sa akin. So, nakaka-excite and at the same time, nakakatuwa. Kasi, I'm pretty sure marami talaga tayong matutulungan talaga in terms of
Paano mo siya ibibenta ng ganito kadami? Like, how will the live stream go like? Ano ba parang mag-iikot ka? Paano siya?
So, yes, as you can see, maraming mga brands dyan.
Oo nga, kinilala ko lang.
Yes. So, kabisado ko talaga yan. As you can see here, actually, I even have like a list. So, talagang ako mismo nagsusulat talaga niyan. So, we have a total of, for today only, not including tomorrow, 178 pieces of products. Tomorrow is gonna be maybe 300. So, total of products from today and tomorrow is 500.
Tuloy naman ang memory mo.
Kaya ano po talaga, kabisaduhin ko talaga yung mga. So, iikutan ko siya bawat isa, explain ko, tapos bibigyan ko sila ng 15 to 20 seconds para mag-check out. Kailangan ko naman. Kasi sobrang dami naghihintay talaga. So,
And last na lang, like, kanino mo to, like, kanino mo i-dedicate itong success na to in your live stream journey?
so number one, I'm dedicating this, of course, sa family ko. Especially sa mami ko. Yun naman yung reason ko ever since nagtatrabaho talaga ako and I work hard. Because I really want to give the best life, of course, sa family. And second is yung followers. Na-realize ko since they gave me this influence. They actually gave me this one. So, it's my purpose na actually maybe in the Philippines talaga to utilize my selling skill at the same time my business relations para mabigyan sila ng mas mababang presyo everything na nag-live ako. So, third, of course, I'm doing this for everybody that's working here. We are able to provide food sa families nila, consistent na trabaho, and siguro pang-apat na yung sarili ko para din makuha ko din yung mga pangarap ko rin po sa buhay.
Marami pa. Marami ka pa. 26 na.
26 po. 26 ko na November 4. Thank you po. Salamat po.
Hello. I'm
Hello.
Edson from Chikata. Yung tanong ko, James, na-predict mo ba yung award na #1 seller? And reaction lang.
Actually, hindi ko po siya na-predict kasi I was not really able to really see other nangyayari kasi sobrang busy po talaga. So I really just focus sa ginagawa ko po. And then, yun, nagulat din po ako nun.
Congrats. Then, paano nabago yung buhay mo at lifestyle?
Okay. So before, pag pupunta ako, for example, pupunta ako Divisoria 3 days ago. Pupunta ako Divisoria para maghanap ng produkto. Ngayon pupunta tayo Divisoria para maghanap ng bibigyan ng regalo. Iba na yung purpose. Mas naging maingat din, of course, kasi makulit po talaga akong tao. So, ngayon medyo kailangan discipline kasi pag nasa labas. Yun. So, pero I can say naman, yung mga followers ko naman, mabait naman sila. So, hindi naman ako parang artista na parang pag nasa labas, gano'n. Pag nasa labas, oy, Kuya James, hello. Parang magtatropa lang kami lahat. Parang magkakapit-bahay lang kami ng mga followers ko. So, gano'n yung nangyari.
Natandaan mo ba yung una mo na benta?
Pinakauna kong nabenta, doing live, nagbenta ako ng wipes. Wipes. Shoe wipes. Palinis na yung sapatos. Yun po yung pinakauna.
Then, yung unang sahod mo, kumusta yung commission?
Doon ko po na-feel na sabi ko, mas okay itong gawin yung affiliate marketing kasi wala akong nilalabas sa punan. And then wala akong iniisip magbalot. Kasi pagka-order, pagka-live mo sa sarili mo, papalutin mo yun, gito yan, 24/7. So, unlike pag nilive mo itong mga products na to, bukasan, yung warehouse na po nila yung bahala nun. So, mas scalable po talaga. Ako, benta lang ako ng benta. So, nangyari po kasi dati pag nag-live ako, pag sobrang dami ng orders, di ako nakakapag-live kinabukasan kasi nalilimit na talaga ako. Or wala akong stocks or wala na akong pera. Kasi pag sinip mo yung products, iikot pa yan eh. Usually, 2 to 3 weeks yan bago bumalik sa'yo. So, nalilimit ka. Unlike pag nagbebenta ka na ito, kahit araw-arawin mo actually, pero di ko kaya. Thank you po, salamat.
Paano niyo po i-describe yung person?
Ngayon, magiging sobrang saya siya. Sobrang saya. Meron kaming tagline dito, paunahan, pagalingan, pabilisan. So, sigurado ako masasold out yung mga products kasi sobrang mura talaga. And again, may mananalo ng 4 na motor. Brand new to. And 2 tricycle, pinagawa ko pa yan. Kasi wala naman talaga nabibiling ganyan. So, pina-customate, pinadeliver ko na dito mismo sa studio. And then, kahit wala silang plano bumili, bibili sila. Kasi sobrang mura po talaga. Tapos mga pangregalo, holiday season, marami silang makukuha sa live natin ng mura. So, tapos hassle-free, sobrang traffic sa labas. Hindi na kailangan lumabas, i-deliver na lang po sa bahay nila, cash on delivery pa. May SPay later pa kung sakaling installment kailangan nila.
5 years from now, ano yung po nakikita
5 years from na siguro kasama ko na mali mo, we are collaborating na with other international artists. Kasi ganoon po nangyayari sa ibang bansa eh. For example, sa China. Like, even sila LeBron James kasama sa live. Sila Dwayne Wade kasama sa live. So, mali mo po ganun. Mag-open to ng mas bigger entertainment opportunity. Kasi hindi lang naman po to benta-benta. Actually, it's also actually entertainment. Kasi ang saya po talaga manood ng live. Para ka na nagpa-party, nag-enjoy, nagtatawa lang po kami dito, may music. So, 5 years from now, mali mo, baka sa Pilipinas na rin na tayo mag-live. Diba?
Last na lang po, ano po yung message mo sa
Bilisan ninyo guys, kasi be on time kayo, 8 p.m. dapat, 12, 11, 8 p.m. And 12, 12 p.m. tanghaling dapat on time kayo. Kasi limited lang din po talaga yung stocks. Although marami tayong stocks, pero we are predicting 2 million to 3 million individual viewers. So, yung mga stocks natin, isipin mo kung maghahati-hati yung 2 to 3 million, medyo mauubos po talaga siya. So, we are predicting for the first 1 to 2 hours, marami nang sold out na product. So, bilisan nila, pagplanuhan nila maigi kung ano yung bibili nila para pagdating sa live, diretso check out na lang talaga sila.
Hello, question lang. Gano'ng katagal yung live stream?
Okay, so for tonight's live, for December 11, it's gonna be 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. Salubong po kasi ito ng 12-12. Okay, parang New Year, no? So, tapos tomorrow naman po, 12-12 mismo, tanghaling tapat, di ba? 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. po yung 6 hours. So tonight is 5 hours, tomorrow is 6 hours.
Ikaw lahat sa 5 hours.
Ako po lahat yun.
Wow. Okay. May mangyayari ba sa pagsalubong mismo, like 12 midnight? May special something?
So, usually po, kinaugalian na po talaga ng Pilipino na pag double digit, doon nila check out, piniplace, or ina-add to cart muna nila yan eh. Like, from gabi, tapos i-check out nila yan on the 12 midnight para ma-sure nila na they can get the lowest price kasi doon na po yung vouchers magbabagsakan lahat.
So change po yung price from 11 p.m. Iba yung price at all.
Minsan yung mga platforms nanggugulat sila eh. So, I really suggest na tumutok talaga sila. Kasi maraming nangyayari na like, minsan may mga presyo na wala dito sa price list ko. Minsan, bumababa ng sobra eh. Di ko rin maintindihan eh. So, yun yung actually exciting part ng buying online. A lot of things can happen. Minsan, may surprise din sa amin yung platform. So, kaya kaparat kami excited din para sa kanila.
Yung brief kasi, it's not just live stream. May entertainment factor siya. So, yung mga tao baka iba tatambay lang, maghahanap pa ng video.
So actually, so for today, it's me and we call her Ate Revega. So nandito siya. Siya yung co-host natin today. So, pag nagbanggaan din kami kasi ng script, sobrang nakakatawa talaga siya. Yun yung nagiging entertainment part. Kung paano namin naiisipan ng skit yung isang produkto. Tapos kinabukasan marami tayong mga guest. So may mga ibang mga content creators na sila yung po-posted dyan bawat isa na parang binibentahan nila ako. For example, tatanungin ko, magkano ba yung ketchup mo? Pero, mahal naman, baba mo naman yung presyo, mga something ganun. Tapos nandun din si Jasper Tiongson. So isang sikat na host din po siya. So yun, I'm also like excited kasi I have never been into a live na ganun karami yung host. But this 12-12 talaga, in-all-in talaga namin siya.
So may battery din, hindi lang talaga benta.
Hindi, medyo, minsan na di mo mararamdaman, naka-check out ka na eh. Kasi talagang nakakatawa talaga siya. So,
Last question for you. Ano yung SPay later? Sino eligible?
Okay.
Products?
So every product is eligible for SPay Later. SPay Later stands for itself. pay later. So they can pay the product 3 months 0% interest, 6 months 0% interest. The maximum we can go is 24 months depending on the brand and the product arrangement itself. We also have partnership with multiple like credit cards, pwede rin po yun, 0% installment din po after 24 months. But sino yung eligible? Usually mga frequent buyers. So if wala pa silang SPay, I really recommend na mag-done checkout na sila, mag-done checkout para magkaroon sila ng SPay later.
So, may offer sa SPay later sa Shopee account mo na pwede mong gamitin.
Lalabas na lang po yun doon. Yes, automatic siya kung ano yung pwede sa'yo. So the more loyal you are, the better. And the higher your credit limit is.
May exclusive discounts for SPay later na hindi makukuha ng ordinary.
Meron minsan. Meron po minsan, lumalabas na lang po siya because it's a site-wide platform-based eh. So yung mga part na yon, bigla na lang siya lumalabas. Kaya po inaabangan actually lang minsan pag 12 to yung sa lubong kasi biglang may ganun po nangyayari. So, yun po.
Thank you.
Ipahabol lang ako.
Sige po.
With the confidence, your experience, may nag-offer na ba sa'yo mag-artista? Or open ka ba?
Number 1 sa artista, wala. Number 2, open. Open naman. As long as kaya pa ng oras.
So James, are you married? Can you tell us a little bit?
So I'm single, not married. So yeah. Okay. Single. Busy po eh.
Na product sa lahat.
Oh.
Pinakamahal.
Ganito na lang. Can you tell us like 5 items that you'll be selling today and tell us why do we have to have it?
Okay. Number one Poco C71. It's from almost 5,000 pesos sa mall. Right now sa live namin 2,000 plus na lang. That's like 50% discount. Second is the smart TVs. It's really affordable right now. Ang like SRP niyan umaabot ng 10 to 11,000. Sa live natin later 5,300 pesos free shipping. Tablets, we have all the best-selling tablets in the Philippines. Xiaomi, Huawei, Samsung, as low as 4,000 pesos. You can buy a brand new tablet sa live.
The same price range?
4 to 6,000. Dun sila naglalaro, depende sa brand. We also have like air fryers, grabe, sobrang ganda. From 1,500 pesos SRP, we can sell it later for 900 pesos. Like air fryer is like very good for gifts. Like it's super appreciated kasi ang laki niya, tignan.
It's for family.
Yeah, and for the last one, siguro, we also have like groceries, no? Like in general, like 50 to 70% discount, buy two, take two deals. Like really crazy, sobrang mura po talaga sila. So, from electronics to appliances to even shoes, actually pang-anim pala, sorry. First time ko magbenta ng shoes. Like, for as low as 1,000 pesos, meron ka ng brand new rubber shoes. So, then, depende na po yun sa kanila pag namili sila kung ano yung gusto nilang design. But, basically, this is like an online mall na po. So, yun na po yung nangyayari.
The one behind you, I'm very interested.
Oh!
That's the best-selling.
So, this is actually a very trendy product right now. So, this is called the Kodak Charmera. A lot of people are looking for this. You can treat this as a labubu camera because basically, if you buy this, you will get a surprise on which color or variant you will get. And there's also a secret, which is the translucent version. So this sells outside for 3,500. For my life, I think it will be 2,700 only per piece.
How did you get supply for that? Because that's
Very rare, right?
sold out in most cameras.
I really beg into the brand. Like, please. I think a lot of buyer will. So we only have 800 pieces of this. So I think it will really sell out later. Okay. So by the way, for tonight, just for hashtag purposes, if people will be looking, they can use the hashtag 1212 Kuya James. Hashtag 1212 so that they can 1212 Kuya James. I think we're very unique on that hashtag naman.
Hindi ko mag-advance Shopee.
Actually, a lot of people are asking me, even my friends, they're James, can I buy from you directly? Just go there. Unfortunately, all of these are samples. So, even I do not own this. I cannot buy all of this. So, after the live, the brand will get all of this. Yeah, take it away also.
Photo naman.
Thank you so much.
Okay, para doon sa ano, is
Last question pala.
sorry.
What would your advice be to a young man that's trying to emulate what you're currently doing?
Work really, really hard. Work harder than anyone, and everything will follow. Everything starts in the work itself. Once the work itself is being done correctly, with passion, and you know in yourself that you're giving more than 100%, I'm pretty sure everybody will achieve what they want. So same goes in any industry actually.
Thank you. Thank you so much.